Stop reading and start knowing. Transform your documents into a dedicated AI research analyst to streamline your workflow and uncover deeper insights. Welcome to the Research Operating System. This video covers the process of building a knowledge engine, from ingesting sources to scaling your research capabilities efficiently. First, build your knowledge engine. Create a private, grounded research system powered entirely by your own documents that stays ready whenever you need it. Step 1 is access. Head over to NotebookLM.google.com to open your private research workspace. There is no complex configuration required. Step 2. Create a notebook. Establish a dedicated intelligence environment specifically scoped to your project, topic, or key decision. In Step 3, upload your sources. You can feed reports, PDFs, slide decks, and notes into the system, with support for up to 50 sources per notebook. Step 4 is expansion. Connect external knowledge by adding websites, Google Docs, and public references to extend your notebook beyond just your internal files. Step 5, let the system think. NotebookLM automatically reads, indexes, and cross-references your sources, surfacing structures you didn't even have to build manually. In Step 6, ask better questions. Query your corpus with precision, knowing that every answer is grounded in your sources, making it fully cited and traceable. Step 7 is discovery. Extract instant answers to surface what really matters, saving you from hours of manual document review. Step 8. Generate executive summaries. Condense complex information into clarity with one command to produce a structured brief across all your uploaded sources. Step 9 allows you to create study guides. Transform your research into actionable outputs like FAQ documents and executive briefings generated automatically. Step 10. Preserve valuable insights. Save your key discoveries as pinned notes and annotations, creating a permanent, searchable intelligence record for your future projects. The final result is research at scale. You now have an AI research analyst providing insights on demand, without the need for additional hiring or briefing. Unlock the full guide and join our community to learn more about optimizing your AI workflows. Knowledge in, intelligence out. Ready to get started? Visit NotebookLM.google.com today and transform how you research. Thanks for watching this video.